You're watching Infinity Tech. Let's connect your Instagram account to a Facebook page. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the menu icon, then Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Account Center. Here, tap Add Accounts. Follow the steps to add your Facebook account if it's not already added. Now, go back to the main account center screen. Tap Accounts and Profiles. Select your Instagram account. Tap Sharing to other apps. Choose Facebook. You may need to log into Facebook. Select the specific Facebook page you want to connect to. Toggle on the options for what you want to share, like Instagram posts or stories, to link. For professional features, go to your Instagram profile, tap Edit Profile, then Page. Here you can select or create a linked Facebook page. This connection allows cross-posting and using Instagram tools like shopping. Ensure you are an admin of the Facebook page you're trying to link. The connection syncs your profile information and enables unified messaging. You can manage or disconnect this link anytime in the same settings. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.